Hello all, hi, once again back to my channel. Welcome back to another content. In this content I'm going to share with you make an online from anywhere, work remotely and earn. This is a very proven method. Want to make an online from anywhere in the world. I will show you 7 proven ways to earn from home or while traveling. Doesn't matter. You will just need laptop and internet connection, or all you need to start making real money online from today. Make money online from anywhere. So, did you know over 50% of freelancers are now work remotely? Mm, Not only in our country, everywhere they work remotely, and now you can show no experiences, no problem. This method works for beginner, student, and anyone with a smartphone or laptop. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start earning online and where to get started. So, main content step one is freelancing. Freelancing can be your main content like platform like Upwork, Fiverr, and plans are skill writing, graphic design, typing, video editing, social media management. Start small, build a portfolio, scale up, step to affiliate marketing for promote product online and earn commission. Platform like Amazon Associate, ClickBank, and share sell. Tip like use social media or a product to promote. Step 3, selling digital product like example like ebooks, courses, templates, stock photos. Tools used like Canva, Gumroad, etc. Digital product focus on solving a problem people are searching for. Method 4, online tutoring. This is one of the best ways to earn from online there is no scam in this method. Like teach language like skill or school subject. You can start which subject do you expert or are you expert or have you expert, have you skill gained. You can teach this subject with online tutoring like schoolsummer.com. You can answer her question for bears for very student. Platform like People, Cambly, and Udemy record lessons one and sell multiple times for passive income. Step 5, YouTube or short creator. This is called a passive income earned via ad sponsorship or affiliate marketing. Focus on changing topics for niche audience. Start small and forever. Stay consistent. Method 6, dropshipping and e-commerce. Sell product online without inventory. Platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon FBA tips. Use trending topics and social media ads. Step 7, remote job. Customer support, virtual assistant, and media manager. Platform like LinkedIn, remote work remotely. Look for flexible, fully remote position. Now I will tip for success. Stay consistent and patient. Online income takes time. Invest in learning skills that are in demand. Diversify income is tip for stability. If you want to step-by-step guide to start making money online, check the description below and like and subscribe for more ways to make money online and work remotely, and pop up links to your affiliate tools, tutorials, or website. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't follow my this content for time is too short. Next time I'll connect with you. See you very soon with another content. This is time for bye. See you very soon with another content.